The pinnacle of luxury design, nestled onto 5 secluded acres in Caves Valley Golf Club, resides one of the most elegant homes in Maryland. Crafted by pyramid builders and thoughtfully designed by Vincent in 2015, the home offers 15,000 square feet, with 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths. Tucked away from the rest of the world, the home is hidden among the trees and accessed by a gated private driveway. Passing by the 2 oversized 3-car garages, become enchanted by the inviting foyer complete with a 2-sided fireplace. Leading into the main living area, one's eyes are drawn to the floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking one of the larger pools within the community. The natural light fills the expansive family room with seating area. The kitchen is a cook and entertainer's dream, featuring an industrial wolf gas range with double oven and vented by an oversized range hood. The eat-in kitchen nook is surrounded by a wall of windows to enjoy the luscious surroundings and professional landscaping. Across the main floor, the generous owner's suite is private and features an extensive bathroom between the dual walk-in closets. Elegant and timeless, the soaking tub overlooks the wooden grounds, while the 2 separate marble vanities give each resident ample storage and personal space. Befitting of a French yacht, the modern staircase leads to an upstairs sitting room situated between 3 suites. Each individualized bedroom suite features custom built-ins, lavish ensuite bathrooms with walk-in showers, and extensive walk-in closets fixed with custom built-in storage. Floating down the elevator to the lower level, entertainment spaces abound around every corner. Sublime outdoor living realized by designer Bob Jackson. Unlike any other residence within Caves Valley, the backyard is unrivaled with one of the most expansive pools, outdoor fireplace, exterior kitchen, and opulent water features. A full sensory lifestyle experience. Balanced, enduring design, drenched in warmth and sophistication. This property stands in a world of its own.